Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm Robin Elliott with Elliott Motorsports, and today I'm here with a brand new unit that I'm going to be testing out. I've actually had this unit for about 6 months now. If you can't tell by the shape and by the heading of the video, this is for the C7 Corvette from 2014 to 2019. I haven't had access to a C7 Corvette. I have a lot of people that have one. They really didn't want to do anything taking it apart, so I finally purchased a 2015 C7 Z06 so I could install this, fully test it. I even have another unit that's going to be that I'm going to be demoing for the C7 Corvette, so stay tuned for that also. I'm going to be one of possibly 2 dealers in the United States that will be selling this. You might see them with their own name on it, but it's the exact same unit. So this is going to be sold partially exclusively from Elliott Motorsports. And I already have these on my website. These have already been tested. They're ready to go. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It's really a simple system. It's a really good looking system. Now it does ship in 2 pieces. So that's why I have it sitting here. But once it's put back, you really can't tell that it's in 2 pieces, especially once you get the trim around it. You won't be able to tell this is really in 2 pieces at all. It's going to look like 1 piece. So that's really cool. Now, as of now, this only comes in the paint match for the interior. It doesn't come in the carbon fiber. However, they did make a couple prototypes with the dry carbon fiber. If we get enough orders, then we will be doing them in carbon fiber, but for right now, they're just going to be in, I guess, the grayish black here. I'm not sure exactly what the color is. So I'm going to kind of go over this before I install this, kind of a sneak peek before we go ahead and get this installed, because it is kind of involved, and I'm going to do a somewhat of a step-by-step. It's not going to be super detailed. There's some really good videos out there, but I'll go over the basics of disconnecting and actually go over all the wiring and connections and stuff. So the wiring itself is super simple. This is all you get right here. So there's not a whole lot of wiring. This is going to be for your Wi-Fi antenna, for your Wi-Fi reception on here. This is going to be your 4G, or excuse me, your see, do they have, yeah, it's going to be, yeah, it'll be for your 4G SIM card. And so for that, you actually have, you put your SIM card in the front of here. Most of the units, you have this dongle that you put it in, but this just goes right into the front, which is really cool. So that's going to be your 4G antenna. This is your Wi-Fi antenna. And then you're going to have your GPS antenna also. Now, this is really unique because this is a dual system. What that means is you're going to get wireless Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto, all the Android functions. You could watch YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, all the good stuff on here. You're going to have all those features. And also, you're going to retain all of your factory stuff. So it retains all the factory settings and everything. You'll actually have a screen that you go into that looks very similar to the factory. So, and I'll be demoing all that. So this is basically called a dual system. A lot of units will actually eliminate a lot of the stuff. So this should, and I'll confirm it once I get it installed, this should retain your PDR, all of your, obviously all your steering settings, steering input settings, all those types of factory OEM settings that should retain all of that. So, and basically all you get, this is all the wiring you get other than what I've just showed you. So one end will plug into the back of the head unit, the other one, the factory unit will plug into, and then you have this will plug into one of the USB ports. And then, and I'll go over all this once we get it in the car and everything, but on the back here, this is where your factory line goes in. That's going to retain all of your factory settings and all that stuff. It's going to go right there. So other than that, there's really, that's it. Other than transferring everything over, there's really just not much wiring and stuff to do on this. It's just pretty simple. So it might be a week or two before I'm able to get this installed. I'm working on another project right now. I got the C6 installed that I'm exclusive to. So that's installed in my C6. I got that all done. I need to do a full demo review and everything on it. I did a brief one, and you can see the video on that on my YouTube. And then once I get this all installed, we'll go ahead and go through the whole thing. We'll demo it, make sure everything works on it. And like I say, it is for sale right now, so if you'd like to purchase it, it is for sale. I personally haven't demoed it, but it's coming. And from what I'm told, it's all ready to go, and there shouldn't be any issues. So with that said, it's pretty exciting. I'm excited to get it installed and get it up and running. So if you have any questions, you can shoot me an email at caymanspyder@gmail.com. I'll have all the links in my description below in the YouTube video here. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. All right, I think that's all I got. Thanks so much.